Oh, yeah, there's a bunch of them. I don't know what kind of fish they are. Oh, they're bass. Just big bass.
Yeah. That's good fishing right there. Tickets and passes. Yep, repeat.
So what?
I'm Chewbacca, and he's.
I'm Tinkerbell.
And I am, where am I?
Princess and the Frog, yes.
Princess and the Frog.
Fingers on the back. And your finger goes there. And then your finger there.
Yeah, I'll grab one too. We're at the entrance.
I think we're at the Oasis right now, like right here. Yeah, and then this is 23 or 24. Here's the safari. It's gonna go all the way through over the water, and then we take a left. I love the bamboo gate.
Just came out of nowhere. Just came out of the jungles.
You know.
Can she see it?
Get in the crowd.
Oh, there's the tree of life.
Good morning, everybody.
Oh my gosh.
Is this the line?
In front of you and fill in all the available space. It is not necessary to form a single file line. If you are traveling with a stroller, please have children and valuables unloaded before you reach our stroller parking area. If you are traveling with someone in a scooter or wheelchair, please have this person lead your party through the line. Enjoy your adventure at Kilimanjaro Safari. Bienvenidos a Kilimanjaro Safari. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados y mantengan las manos, brazos, pies, and remember to watch your children. Your transport will be arriving shortly. Asante Sana. Enjoy your adventure.
Everyone in your party. And friends on my right
Okay.
feet. Legs, his doors are going to be shut. That's time. Hold on. Keep your hands, arms, feet, legs inside the truck at all times and remain seated throughout our entire safari today. To give you a good idea of the kind of animals that we're going to be seeing out here, if you look above you, there is your animal spotting guide. I can't guarantee we're going to see all those animals out here today, but we do tend to have some good luck. Now, as we are entering this reserve, we are entering these animals' homes, so we do want to be respectful to all those animals. That means we're not going to make loud noises around them. Try to call them over with any sounds or reach our hand out toward them. We just want to leave them alone, and that will likely hide from any threats. The okapi does have about a 16-inch long tongue that allows them to wrap their tongue feces. Unfortunately, though, rhinos are being poached because of their horns. Some cultures believe there are medicinal properties in a rhino's horn, when in reality their horns are made of keratin, the same material that your fingernails are made of. To your right, Nile hippos weigh about 55 100 pounds, and they can't naturally cool down their bodies like we can. That's why you see them always in like more aquatic areas where water is the best way for them to stay cool. Now, while they are feet long, it's almost as tall as a giraffe, they're also ectothermic, so to cool down their bodies, they're going to open their mouth, and that is going to help them regulate their body temperature, bark off, and use it as a water source, which is why this tree is also sometimes given the nickname the Tree of Life. And we will be seeing more of those trees as we get further into the reserve today. But right now, we are currently entering the largest part of the reserve, which is called the Savannah. So we are going to be spending the majority of our safari out here on the Savannah today, and you will probably recognize a lot of the animals that we'll see out here. Breathing from exhaustion, which works 80% of the time, and a lot of people do mistake them for hyenas, but there's actually no relation between the hyena animals. Over to the left in the back are the sable antelope, the emblem of our reserve, and it's an eland here, the largest of the antelope species, growing to be about 6 feet tall. These are Hartsman Mountain zebras. Now, the cool thing about zebras is that no two zebras are ever born with the same exact pattern. They're all going to look a little different and unique in some sort of way. Think of it as us humans and how we have our shape, and they can pronk about 6 feet high straight up into the air and leap 13 feet forward like they're on an invisible trampoline or something. Alright, so to our right there's that African elephant, and then to your left are the mandrills. Mandrills are the largest monkeys in the world, with the red and blue facial markings that brighten them in color specifically for the male mandrills when they are excited. There's a little baby going by. And then to your right, again, the African elephant. So they're recognized by their large ears, slightly thinly appreciated. It does take a really long time to also rebuild a population of elephants, since the pregnancy lasts for about 22 months. Sorry about all this. Alright, the next animal we're going to see will be on your left. They are the greater flamingos. And you know, flamingos are not born pink, they're born gray. And they have to actually earn that pink over time. It takes about 1 to 2 years for them to become pink. And they turn pink because of the shrimp they eat. It contains a lot of beta carotene, and that's the main thing that's going to make those feathers appear more pink. Different rhinos. These are white rhinos, so they can weigh over 5,000 pounds, and they're in a little group which is called a crash of rhinos, because rhinos can only see about 10 feet in front of them. But they do have excellent hearing, so that's how they're able to navigate the reserve. You might notice 2 of them are a little bit smaller than the rest. That's 2 of our 3 babies. Yes, we had 3 babies within the span of a year. So we got our 2-year-old and our 1-year-old. Our 2-year-old's already. They only run 25 miles per hour, so like this ostrich could run twice as fast as that lion, giving the lions a low hunting success rate of only about 20%. The females actually do all the hunting, the males stay back with the cubs to protect them from any predators. So to your left, you're going to see that ostrich that runs faster, female, and although the largest birds in the world, an ostrich can't fly, but an ostrich can run up to 40 miles per hour using their wings to change directions while they run. So if you put the lion and the ostrich next to each other, the ostrich will probably get away. But our pride here does consist of 3, 2 females, 1 male. But prides can go up to 40 lions all together. We can only handle 3. That's all we got.
Oh, they're like just grooming each other.
Yeah, so if we don't see any giraffes,
There's a big nest up there on the right.
Leaving bird. Leaving bird house. I think it's real.
That's crazy. Wait, let's see if Sam, it's real. I'm like, it is too big to be real.
It's not real. It's not real.
Look at its teeth. Oh my gosh. I got so excited.
I wish I had a brochure of that. The look on your face.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Like every 5 to 8 minutes, and that's the most common question we get: is this real? And that's my most common. It's not the jungle cruise.
Okay.
Because everybody in this.
I love it.
The dinosaurs, however you want to do it.
Yeah.
Two females.
Wow.
Is that cool?
Where's the other one?
Is that cool? The fish actually.
Oh, there's the little
Spaces underwater and the fish are just nibbling on him.
There was algae on the rock. So the hippos, when they get out in the sun, they put a sunscreen, if you will. It looks like a really kind of pinkish color.
That's cool.
That's them from the sun burning. That's why they're not out and about during the daytime, because they're still in that.
Look, that's crazy. They take turns. Oh my gosh.
So they're one of the weird
What am I missing?
Oh really?
They're really active. There's one that's behind this tall grass. One's growing in a hole or something.
Yep. Yeah, right there. See it?
Why not? They'll make you grow big and strong just like a gorilla. That's what Mama tells
But you're probably doing our habit now.
Got a buffet out there. It's really fancy. Yeah, I'm not sure what it's doing.
Oh, come here. That's weird.
He's doing yoga.
Can I get your phone?
That's just yoga, man. We're doing yoga.
Kayak down this. Look at the water lilies. Ooh, look at the fish. Wow, he's sunning himself right there. Very long. You want to see him? Oh, look at that little lily.
There is another viewing area just around the trail.
They don't mind it. Now you gotta do like back up so they can see his body. And his tail, you gotta back up a little.
Right here.
Do you want tigers do best?
Sam, can I get the camera? Oh, big butterfly.
Good worms. Tell me what they are and where they're from.
That's what they use to plow the rice fields.
We're looking at both Asiatic water buffaloes. We have 6 girls total.
6 total. Back up so they can see his body.
Hey, director Kathy.
And his tail, you gotta back up a little more so they can see.
No, director Kathy. I do like a bunch of shots.
Johnny.